Hello viewers, today I have this JABRA Elite 10. In this battery draining issue is there. So I have replaced the battery of this left side and it started working. And right side I am going to show how to replace the battery in this video. So without wasting any time, let's start tearing this down. So first we have to remove this ear tip. Then we have to take out this rubber part. You can see like this we have to take this out, so we can keep this separately. So you can see I have replaced the battery already. So this is the old battery which I have removed from the earbud, and this is the new battery which I am going to install. So this is the new battery for right side. So this is old battery, I am going to keep separately. So if you want me to replace the battery, please do message on this above WhatsApp number. I am located here in Bangalore. You can send it to my address. I can fix it and I can ship it back to your address. So alright, let's start tearing this down. So we have to give some heat over here so that we can take this apart. So let me give some heat using heat air gun, or you can use hair dryer as well. So it should be around 100 degrees or less than that, so that we can without damage we can take this apart. So let me give some heat and come here. So I have given the heat. We have to slowly pry like this. You can see it is coming out because glue is melting. So like this we can take this out. There is no work in this part, so I am going to work in this. You can see there is a flex cable here, so you should not break that. If you break it, that's it, earphone will be off, no use. Then I will show you. There are so many glues applied here on the terminals of the battery, on the terminal of this flex cable here. So I have to give some heat to take this glue out. So let me take all the glues so that I can take out the flex cable and I can take out the motherboard. I can take out the terminals of the battery here. So alright, so I have taken out the glue for the other. Just for reference, I am going to show you in this video for you. So like this, slowly we have to peel off this glue so that we can access the terminal. So remaining all the glues I have removed. Now it's time to simply lift this flex cable. Be careful, there are so many components running around there. Like this you have to take out. So this will go separately. Now further you can see there is glue on the clips here, so which is holding the motherboard. So two places I can see the glue is there. So let me remove this here as well, so that I can take the motherboard out. So I have removed the glue. Now it's time to take out the terminals here. You can see like this we can take out. That's it, one side I have taken out. So now the other side, it should not touch, the soldering point should not touch any component. So without your knowledge you may melt the component here. So that's it. I have taken out the two terminals. Now it's time to pull out the motherboard. So now I have taken out the motherboard. So make sure the polarity of the battery, you can see plus here this side, minus this side, and similarly plus is written here and minus is this side. So we have to install the new battery respectively. If you replace the terminals, then you may end up damaging the motherboard. So you can see plus is there, so this side plus will come to this terminal and minus will go to that terminal. So let me install this new battery here. I have to take the old battery outside, so let me take this out. Just by slowly prying it will come out. So let me remove the glue here as well, so that for repositioning it will be easy. You can see it is coming out. So that's it, right round glue has been removed. Now it's time to take out the battery. So let me take the battery out. Zoom. So battery is pasted at the bottom, so you should be very careful. You should not damage the any cable right out there. So it is coming out. So further let me take this out. So that's it, battery has been removed. So this is the old battery and this is the new battery. So I'm going to install this battery. So let me keep this separately. Let's position the battery in the housing, then I will solder it to the motherboard. So alright, now I have positioned the motherboard. Now it's time to now I have positioned the battery in the housing. Now it's time to place the motherboard in the housing. So let me place it properly. Now you can see I have positioned the motherboard perfectly. Now just it's time to install these terminals to the respective points here. So let me solder it. So one terminal has been soldered, now the second one. So let me solder this as well. So that's it, everything is perfect, looks perfect. Now it's time to simply put back the flex cable here. So positioned. Now it's time to close the cover properly. So I'm just going to close like this. You can see how precisely it is fitting. So simply I'm going to put it in the charging case and check. So moment of truth, before applying glue I am going to test it. So once if I insert, light should come here. So let me show you in close up here. So with cover it's difficult to install and just put it inside and take it out. So now let me put, if the light comes it starts working, that means it started working. Yes, you can see the brown light is coming, that means this is charging. So if I take this out and put it back, you can see brown light is coming now, it is charging. So similarly I am going to take this out and put it back. So you can see green light is coming. So that means this has started working. So let's pair and check the functionality here as well. So alright, I have charged this for some time. So it's moment of truth, let's connect there. So I have connected it. You can see JABRA Elite 10 has connected. Left side is 100% because I have replaced the battery already. Right side just now I have replaced, so it is showing 60%. So it will start working. It will fully charge after we keep it in the case. So now both sides are working perfectly. Battery has been replaced. Now it's time to apply the glue here and close it. So let me apply the glue and close it. I'm going to use this glue. So let me apply this glue and fix it everything. So alright, I have glued and closed everything. You can see the work very clean and neat. So now it's time to insert the earbud in the case. So you can see orange light is glowing because it has 60%. So alright, that's it for this video. Left side I have replaced the battery already. So these earbuds has been fixed perfectly. So if you have any replacement like this, if you want me to replace the batteries, please do message on this above WhatsApp number. I am located here in Bangalore. You can ship it to here to my address and I can fix it and I can ship it back to your address. So in this case, this is JABRA Elite 10. So you can send it these type of earbuds from any part of India to Bangalore. I can repair it and I can send it back to your address. So that's it for this video. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe to AudioViz 360 and hit that notification bell icon and write comment in the comment section below if you have any queries. I have uploaded so many videos in this channel, AudioViz 360. Please go through it. If you like it, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because if you subscribe, it will motivate me to make more of like these videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.